HubSpot's analytics tools provide insights, making sense of numbers and patterns. Dashboards aren't just visual representations in HubSpot, they serve as a command center, giving a bird's eye view of all the operations. HubSpot's Data Manager is another comprehensive tool which contains integrations and data model. The integrations tool connects and harmonizes different platforms you use. Meanwhile, the data model organizes and structures your information for clarity and ease of access. So let's find out how we can leverage the reports toolset within the HubSpot CRM. Now we will be moving on to the last section, which is the reporting section. Here you can see the analytics tools and dashboards, but we would only be focusing on the dashboards and reports. This is our first time viewing the dashboard, so we'll have a couple of options around this to create our own dashboard. Now you can see that a variety of templates are available here, depending upon your preference. It could be a sales dashboard or any other service overview dashboard. Let's say we are considering the email overview. Now this will keep track of all the email activities that we've been considering that have been taking place through our account. And it can have 6 reports. Let's just go and try this out, right? These are the reports, that is email conversation totals by rep, the response time, the close totals, or any other specific reports. We hit the next button. Okay, so in this dashboard, while creation, if you feel like you're creating right now and in the edit mode and you want to keep it private to yourself, so you can definitely click on this option. If you want to have a public dashboard, that would be available to all the members within this HubSpot instance, and you want to allow them to edit the dashboard as well. So let's keep it open and create a dashboard. If you want to navigate towards your dashboard, okay, so let's just refresh this so we can see our email overview tab dashboard. Now you can see those 6 reports that were identified earlier, and you will see the data along all these reports. Currently this won't be showing any data because we do not have any email communications and all, other than we did send one email, so that is available here. If you want to click on further details, you can see an object ID, and you want to go into more details about what the email was and who was it sent by and who was it sent to, so you can track it from here. Okay, yeah, here you have it. Okay. If you want to export this information, you have the option to do that as well. Okay, now these are 2 different reports where this was the open email. One of the email was open, and then we have the conversations total that took place through our account. So we just did one, so you can see that one email as well. If you click on this, you can see more details about the object that has been associated with this report. Other than that, you can see these available boxes if you want to customize it or add new report. So you can create another report. Let's say you will go to the report section and say we also want, within this email dashboard, we also want to see how many new contacts we have created. So as you can see that this is a set of existing templates for reports within our dashboard. I have chosen to see the activity of all these newly created contacts. So I've selected this, and I will now choose to exit it. And I have created this new report. This should be available at the bottom of Okay, let's just add again, see what is the problem here. Okay, we have selected this. Oh, okay. So we forgot to basically proceed with the next steps. We save it. You create a name for this. Let's go with the name which is already there, and add it to the existing dashboard. So we have already created an email overview dashboard. We just want that report to be visible within that same dashboard. And now we exit it. We should be able to see our 7th report associated with that email dashboard. Okay, it should be available at the bottom of the report dashboard. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes to load the data. Okay, so you can see that this report is available, and we can see all the newly created contacts along with the create date. If you want to customize other fields, you can definitely do that within this report. Other than that, if you want to manage reports separately, there is a separate tab for all the reporting tabs. This is going to show one of the reports that we already have, along with those 6 other reports within our email overview tab. But if you want to create some other tabs, we have already created that. But let's just hit the create report option. Or if you have some blog post that you want to gather the insights for in terms of views, bounce rates, or any other blog reports, contacts with time comparison. Okay, so you have a variety of options to select for your reports from the existing templates. As you can scroll through that, and you can have your desired template. Once you have created this report, if you want to assign it to a specific dashboard, you can definitely go and add it, as we have done earlier for our dashboard. So these are some of the analytics that you can view within HubSpot, because this gives you a visibility of how things are proceeding within the HubSpot platform. You can see new contacts that have been created, you can see the new meetings that have been set up, or any blog posts that you've published via HubSpot. You want to see their views, or you want to check out the new form submissions. Anything is literally trackable here within these 2 sections. So within this HubSpot free CRM tools, we have explored all the major components within the platform, from contacts till reporting, except the automation, which is currently not available. So what did we learn? HubSpot is more than just a tool, it's your partner in growth. And that concludes a HubSpot tutorial for those seeking improved contact management and a comprehensive understanding of the HubSpot's free CRM. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, everyone, and if you want more valuable insights, ring the bell button and keep watching. Thanks.